Hey, my amazing buddies. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Let's get settled fast because today's challenge ain't gonna wait for us. It is the one and only Would You Rather Mystery Box Edition with full of amazing surprises. You're about to choose between two choices and a mystery option. So let's act fast, follow your instincts, and dive straight in the game. Round one, Would You Rather? We're gonna start with a banger here. Would you rather choose the Gabby Carousel, Gabby Roller Coaster, or the amazing Gabby Water Park? Would you rather choose to play at Pandy Pendulum Ride, Pandy Pool Party, or play at the Pandy Arcade Center? Sounds awesome, right? It's Cakey Bakey time. Which one would you rather choose to eat here? Snack Smackers or Sticky Cat Paws? Or would you eat Cakey Cake instead? Sound check. DJ Catnip's dropping another beat, The Music in You versus I Love a Rainbow.
Making the rope up makes them all jump and dance. With the music in you, you can.
When we're together, yeah, we know we make it a brighter day.
If you choose The Music in You, hit the like button, and if it's I Love a Rainbow, smash that subscribe button. Which beat here should stay? Hey Gabby or Dollhouse World, can you choose one?
We gotta get you a new dress.
Gabby's World, Gabby's Dollhouse
World. Don't be shy and give us your answers below the comment now. Would you rather choose the amazing Mercat Halloween costume, choose the Pandy Paw outfit, or choose the mystery outfit box? It's the Gabby Christmas outfit. Which places would you visit on your vacation? Kitty Fairy Garden? What about Mercat Ocean? Oh, what about visit Gabby's Dollhouse in real life? Break time, let's have a drink. Would you choose Cat Rat Soda, DJ Catnip Hawaii, or maybe you'd go with the mystery box? Woo! Gabby Milkshake would be totally fire. Next stop, let's pick your relaxing place. Vera Restaurant, Gabby Hotel, or you'd like some mysterious random spot to spend your time. Mercat Spa would be a spa-tacular idea. What would you do here? Would you rather let Cookie Bobby die than commenting all your answers in today's quiz? I hope not. We love each other after all, right? Which one feels right to live in? Live in Gabby Dollhouse. Live in Kitty Fairy Castle. I wonder what's in the mystery box. To live in Cakey Kingdom. That would be cat-tastic, right? If you're a Gabby cat, what would you want to be? Be a crafty cat like Baby Box, a racing cat like Carlita, or be a Santa cat, sent presents to all the good kitties in the world. I'm hungry now. Let's grab some food. Would you take a Cakey cupcake? No, maybe a Mercat cookie? Or maybe bring a whole dollhouse cake to eat? Pick yourself a new Gabby kicks. Would you have a Gabby dollhouse shoes? Maybe Gabby dollhouse clogs is better. Or maybe let's pick up these fire boots. Let's finish this mission and comment I'm the quiz master after you've done it. I love you all, and thanks for always hanging around with Quiz Slice. Which one would you take a ride on? Frosted animal cookies, Gnome's Plane, or ride gummy worm like Vera and Gabby? Which door design would you choose for your own house here? Vera door, Gabby door, and the dollhouse literal door. Wow, Gabby dollhouse shirt and sweater. Both choices are sweet, but the box might be even sweeter. Aha! The Gabby dollhouse limited hoodie. Here comes another. Would you rather choose between Pandy Paw plush and Gabby doll figure? Or maybe roll the dice in the mystery box? You would get your own dollhouse? Amazing! Let's choose for you an adorable pet. Do you like Cat Rat? What about Floyd? How do you think about Marlene? Let's turn back the music battle. APT versus Let's Go for a Ride on the Track. Which song would you rather listen to? OK Slicer, Cat Rat Playground, or Mercat Water Park? Both looks fantastic, I can't lie. Okay now, two cute choices are here for you. Cakey Study Room and Pandy Living Room. Which are you choosing? Would you rather choose to live in ordinary Gabby house, or you'd like to have a fancy Gabby mansion? Choices are all yours to make. This one is cute. Let's pick your favorite car. It's between Carlita and Pillow Car. My, Pillow Car might just gonna sleep all day. Ugh, it's so hard to see. Can you help me figure those differences out? There they are. Thanks for your help. Fairy Kitten Land. Which fairy would you rather pick? Lulu or Kitty Fairy? Which one wins your aesthetic style? The ocean window view or the Fairyland garden? Would you pick Pandy Paws porch over Vera patio? Can you help me guess the word from those scrambled letters? It's the word meowgical. You truly are meowgical. What do you think about that, my precious slicers? What an incredible ride, am I right? So, if you had fun today, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss any challenges on Quiz Slice. Remember, stay happy, stay playful, and stay quizzy on Quiz Slice.